Hi guys, just wanted to wish you all happy Easter. I'm enjoying nature. I thought I'd share this with you. Hope you all are enjoying some of the recipes that I've made. I have more to come. I just have been really busy repainting our home, doing little odds and ends. Been keeping me busy, planting a garden, starting one. So now I'm out here enjoying some nature. Found this lovely little pond along the roadside and thought I'd stop and see. Well, y'all have a safe one, a happy one, and a healthy one. And we'll see you again sometime. Take care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new videos. Oh look, here they come. The noisy ones. They're beautiful, aren't they? Just enjoying life. Okay, well, I'm gonna go so this doesn't get too long. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you again on the next video. Bye-bye.